Quick room tour of room 2347, Saratoga Springs in the Congress Park section of the resort. Gotta say, this is our home resort. We've never stayed here before, and I'm pretty impressed. Full-length mirror. Cool little coat hat rack. Little kitchenette. Mini fridge, toaster, coffee pot. Nice spacious bathroom. Got the double shower heads. Still have the H2O Spa soaps, shampoo and conditioner. A little sink, bathroom mirror, more H2O products. They've ended their deal with them, and H2O has announced that it's going to be that brand is going to be going away. So I don't know how long that'll take for them to go through the stock that they have. Nice big closet, full size ironing board, vacuum, in-room safe. There's another little closet here that must be for housekeeping or something because it's locked. I don't have access to it. This is a studio room. Nice, pretty mirror. Little bench. Looks like it's got some drawers in there. Very cool artwork. Nice bed. We just were in Port Orleans Riverside. It looks like a lot of them are switching over to these thermometers, or thermostats rather. They're digital. They do let you go down to 68 degrees, which is nice. Lots of plugs and USBs around the room. Even some more over here inside the dresser. Nice big flat screen TV. All the dressers. The little couch. And that folds down. That's a bed that folds down from the wall. I won't pull it all the way down because my wife's purse is in the way, but backpack's in the way, but very cool. And then the best part is, and my wife's sitting out there on the balcony, but the best part about this room is that right there. It's got a great view of Disney Springs. For those of you not aware, the Congress Park section of Saratoga Springs is the preferred rooms and has a walkway to get to Disney Springs. So from here you can see Sosa Family Cigar, you can see the AMC Theater, you can see Haleo, the House of Blues, Splitsville. So it's very nice. The balcony is very nice. You can see the little Mickey heads on there. The grounds are exquisite. This room is really well done. I can tell you, we probably will be staying here. Again, this is our home resort, but since COVID, we've been able to stay other places that you normally wouldn't, so that's what we've done. But this place is really, really nice, so we're excited. All right, folks, also check this out. We just noticed this. Kim found this. This is pretty cool. And it's on wheels, so you can spin it around and sit that on the couch and use it as a table. That's pretty cool. I like it.